Right, where are you running to? You run into the bin over there, yeah?
Okay.
Right, start running, she'll chase you anyway. She's coming, baby! Head back! Come on, head back! Where's the dog go? I don't know where she was going for a quick second.
I know.
But you won to the bin, but I think she beat you back, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, so we go to the shop in a minute.
Yeah.
Alright.